Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to Code with Nani channel. So today we're gonna discuss the lead code problem of the day, maximum value of an ordered triplet 2. This is an extended version of the yesterday's problem, which is a maximum value of an ordered triplet 1, and this is a medium problem. So as you can see, it's just exactly the same question as yesterday's problem. The only thing that differs from previous to this current problem is the constraints for this solution. Yesterday, yesterday the constraints for the solution for the n is 100. So we can do 10 power 8 operations, so which is almost equal to the 1 second. So we can write around n power 4, which is less than or equal to, which means if you even write of n power 4 solution, that is more of less closely equal to 10 power 8. So yesterday the constraints were very small, so that you can even write with the n power 4 solution, but still we only follows the optimal solution. That's why we choose to write an of n solution. Okay, and now the constraints are n less than or equal to 10 power 5, which you can only write in O of n or of n log n. Other than that, even if you write in of n square solution, if we write an n square solution, that is equal to 10 power 5 whole square, which is 10 power 10. Definitely that gives you TLE, because it crosses more than 10 power 8. So 10 power 8 is a 1 second, and if you are writing in 10 power 10, definitely it will give you a TLE. So for this current question constraints, you can only write in of n or of n log n constraints. As we already wrote a of n solution yesterday, so you can directly copy paste the same solution, or you can even code the same solution that definitely work for this current solution. So I don't want to discuss a lot in this video. If you want to solve this question, do check it out my previous video where I in depth I discussed about the approach, how to find the intuition, and how we are approaching the solution, and also I draw a um what I say example case, like uh, solution, so how we can approach the solution. And I even explained 2 3 other approaches as well, how we can use prefix and suffix array to solve this problem. And also I ran a dry run for the current approach which we are solving on for this particular problem. So you can do check it out on my previous video. I will do put it in the description as well, or I'll put it in the I tab as well, so you can go there and check out my previous video. But for this current video sake, I'm just briefly explaining you the solution, like intuition, or you can say. So what they are trying to ask is, like, we need to find IJK triplet, for which for which what I need to say, for which I comma j comma k, and this has to be maximum. We need to find a triplet IJK. This has to be maximum. Nums of j minus, sorry, into nums of k. This expression to be maximum, right? So in order to be this maximum, like, we are just multiplying the two terms. This is x term, this is y term. So in order to be a maximum value, just try to make x as a maxi value, and try to make y also maximum value that you can obtain from this particular given input, so that producting both the terms will definitely give you the maximum value. So that is the intuition behind this problem. So if you want in-depth explanation, do check out my previous video, which I link in the description as well. Let's get into the solution part. So I'm just replicate the same code that I did yesterday, just initializing three variables. One is to hold the answer, one is to hold the difference, that is to hold the difference, another is to hold the maximum element. So when you this is kind of a x value, this is kind of a y value. So when you are multiplying, you will definitely give the maximum product. Okay, so answer answer is equal to max of answer comma difference, that is the previous difference, and we need to product with the current value, because um, the kth value should always be in the right side of the right side part of the array, right? So if the difference is the maximum difference up to the previous element, from now onwards uh, we need to check for all the possibilities of the uh, kth index, which is right side part of the previous component, right? So that's what we're doing. And difference, that holds the maximum difference. So as maxi is the maximum element on the left side, and nums of k is the current element, and maxi is the just making a maximum of the ith component. This is the maximum of ith component. Difference is the um, ith component minus the difference value. Ith component minus, you can say, jth component value, that holds the difference. Okay, let's just submit the code. Voila, it's submitted, and that's it for today video, guys. So if you like the video, do like the you do like the video, hit subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any notification from my channel. And if you have any queries regarding my code or my explanation, do put it in the comment section so I'll help you out, guys. And that's it for today video, guys. Thank you, tata, bye bye, see you tomorrow with a great content. Bye bye.